Welcome back to Take It Rain. Please like, share, subscribe to Take It Rain on all social media platforms. Let's continue. We were talking about adding sales, and we were trying to find the total score for all the students, Eva, Liam, Adora, and John. And the total scores for all of them using this formula 6 plus 12 plus 15 plus 16 will give us 49. So this is one of the ways to add cells to find the total. The second way is using the sum function. We would write the sum function, double click in the menu, mark the range and hit enter. Let me visually explain this. You write your sum, remember equals to is important, sum, and right here you double click on this to create a bracket. You then write the name of the cells, E2, and use this range. This column is called a range in Excel. It is used to indicate from which cell to which cell. So we are calculating from E2 to E5. And close your bracket and hit enter, which will give us 49. This calculates the whole of this and gives us our 49. And that is basically how we add in Excel. So we have talked about the fill function. We have talked about how the fill function is used to generate sequences and patterns. We have talked about dates and times, and we've also talked about how to add values in Excel and how to generate those, how to use the sum function for those values. We'll cover more on Excel. Please stay with us. Like, share, and follow Take It Rain on all social media platforms. NS out.